Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the recipe of white chicken. So without wasting time, let's start the recipe. Before that, take a moment and have a look on the ingredients to make this recipe. First, we need to marinate the chicken. For that, in a bowl, I have taken half cup of curd, 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and chili paste, and salt as per taste. Mix it well and keep aside. Here, I have taken well cleaned and washed half kilo of chicken pieces. Now, I am going to add lemon juice, curd, ginger, garlic and green chili paste, mix well and marinate it for at least 2 to 3 hours. Also, it can be marinated and kept overnight in the refrigerator. I have taken 2 onions. I'm going to cut it roughly. Heat oil in a container and fry the onion along with cashew nuts till onions are transparent. Remove from oil and let it cool to room temperature and grind the fried onions and the cashew nuts to a fine paste. In a same container, I am going to add cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, peppercorns, cloves and cardamom. Saute them for few seconds. Next, add the onion and cashew nut paste to it and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we need to add marinated chicken pieces. Mix well and cover the container and cook on a medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir and turn over the chicken pieces. Cover it and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Take another pan with some oil in it and add 1 tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour and saute till the maida emits an aroma. Now I am going to add half cup of milk to the maida and stir continuously to get a smooth white sauce. Once the sauce is ready, pour the white sauce in the chicken gravy and mix well. Now I am going to add 3 tablespoons of fresh cream to it. Stir it and cook the gravy on a low flame till oil floats. As you can see here, oil is floating. Now switch off the flame. Next, take a tadka pan and heat 2 tablespoons of ghee Now I'm going to add slit green chilies. I have taken 2 green chilies. Fry it and then add kasuri methi. Switch off the flame and pour the contents on the chicken gravy. And finally garnish with some chopped green coriander leaves. And the white chicken is ready to serve. Serve this gravy with rice or parathas and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.